Hello students. So today we'll see the potential energy due to system of charges. So here I have drawn two diagrams here. So the first one is the potential the charges between the there are two charges, and that is q1 and q2, and the distance between those two is taken as r12. And second diagram is for the system of three charges q1, q2, q3, and their distance between those any two charges. So first of we will take only two charges at a time. So therefore the distance between q1 and q2 is r12, and q2 and q3 is taken as r23, and between q1 and q3 it is taken as r13. So first of all, what we have to do here is we have to see the potential energy of the single charge. So let us say if there is a single charge q1 in the space and there is a point P in the space, anywhere in the space P. So we will consider the potential due to this charge q1 on the point P. So this we have already derived. So what we get the result is, so and let us consider the distance from q1 to P as r1P. So therefore we will get the equation V1 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 upon r1P. So now you may ask from where this q1 has come. So q1 has come from somewhere, from any distance. So let us consider it has come from infinity. So therefore, and there is no external agency or external electric field which pushes or which brings the charge q1 at a certain point. So it is the main source of charge. So it has come at the same point q1 at some point q1, and at some point P, and there is another and at a certain distance there is a point P. The distance between these two is taken as r1P. Therefore the potential of charge q1 at point P is taken as V1 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 upon r1P. So understood? So this is how we get the equation 1. Now let us bring another charge. So suppose here that there is already a charge q1, and if another charge q2 is brought from infinity, then between these two charges the distance will be r12. Okay. So therefore the work done on q2 by q1 or due to q1 is given by equation 2, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, the product of the two charges, that is q1 and q2, upon r12. Okay. Now this work done is stored between, that means this work done between the two charges q1 and q2 is stored as the potential energy. So we indicate the potential energy as U. So therefore U equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by 1 r2 r12. So therefore this is considered as the equation 3. Okay. So work done on q2 is taken as the equation 2. So now we will now consider the system of charges. So now till here it is for the system of two charges. Now we will take the system of three charges. So here in system of three charges, what happens is, first of all we'll take the potential of the first charge and the second charge. So we got this equation. Therefore, the individual potentials of V1 and V2. V1 and V2. So here only thing is that, so for V1 it will be 1 up, that is equation 1 we got, and for V2 it will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 by R2, so or R12. So here it is from this point P, it is R2P. I will correct here, it is R2P. So therefore V12 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R1P plus Q2 by R2P. Make a correction here. In the fifth equation it is R2P. Therefore, now another charge, as I told you, it is the system of three charges. Another charge Q3 is brought from infinity to a certain point at a distance R3 from Q1. So therefore Q3 and this equation will take. So what happens is, we have to multiply Q3 to this fifth equation. So it will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q3 by R13 plus Q2 Q3 by R23. So the sixth equation. Now we will summate all the equations. So that is equation 4 and equation 6. So they will get the total energy between the three charges, total potential energy between the three charges, that is U equal to, so the in all the two equations, what is common here? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is common. Therefore into bracket Q1 Q2 by R12 plus Q1 Q3 by R13 it should be. Make a correction here also. It is R13 plus Q2 Q3 by R23. So this is the potential energy due to system of charge. So if there is a n number of charges, the same thing goes. So here the last will be Q1 Qn upon R1n. So this will be the equation for the potential energy due to system of charges.